is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I went and did something. And you might be able to tell, but you might not. Alright guys, so about 3 years ago, if you've been following the channel that long, which many of you have, and thank you guys so much for all the support, I picked up our tow pig for the channel. And the tow pig was my F-250 Super Duty 6.7 diesel Lariat. Absolutely love the truck, but unfortunately it's time to part ways, and I'm going to introduce you to the new member of the channel. All right, boys, so as you know, part of doing what I do is traveling to events all over the country, towing a car, carrying merch, carrying, you know, personal effects, all of that, as well as, you know, if we got to take a car up to get a tune, we got to carry a car over for paint. So a truck is essential. It is, you know, it's basically one of those deals where you can't live without one. Regardless of, you know, what I do for a living or not, trucks are an invaluable thing. And as you know, my F-250, I had it for a long time. I loved it. I had the truck exactly how I wanted it. Not too high, sitting up on 35s, deleted, tuned, blacked out, and I sold it. Still not sure how I feel about it, but let's get into it. All right guys, so here she is after a lot of soul searching, a lot of thinking it over for a long time. This is the new tow pig. This is the new rig for the channel. F-150 Lariat, 5-liter, 10-speed, and of course the right color. Now I know it's kind of underwhelming looking at the moment, but when I say I've already started the modding process, I've already started the modding process. This truck is 100% capable to do what I do. I'm not towing multiple cars. I'm not towing extremely heavy stuff. So the 250, while I loved it, it was a little bit of overkill, and I'm not gonna even lie, guys. I've got to be completely honest with you. The maintenance, the repairs, the costs associated with the diesel were rough. And as much as I loved it, the market was really high right now, and I believe starting to go down. And so I decided to make this change. So real quick about the truck. Yes, let's get in here because it's 30 degrees out. She's epic, guys. I absolutely love it. The only option it doesn't have is the 360 cameras and the adaptive cruise, which I could care less about anyway. Heated and cooled seats. I mean, it's got everything. It literally has everything that I was looking for. I even really dig this. Yeah. The only thing is I'm not going to actually open the sunroof part because I've heard they can be kind of a pain in the ass. But I mean, overall, it has absolutely freaking everything that I wanted in a truck. Even has carbon fiber inserts on the door. I love it. All right, so I'm sure one of the questions you're asking yourself, what do you think of it? Well, I freaking love it. This truck is a freaking blast to drive. The ride, fuel mileage, the power, everything. I couldn't be happier with it. I'm seriously, I love my decision. But there's a problem. All right, so you're asking yourself, Caleb, what's the freaking problem with it? Well, it's a grandpa truck. This truck was not driven hardly at all. It's a super low mile truck, and it is bone stock. Like, not even window tint. I don't know how anybody drives around without any window tint. So that's number one. Number two, it's not even leveled. Got these little weenie tires on it, and it's just kind of, yes, it's everything I wanted, but it's in 100% virgin form. So what is coming? First of all, altitude adjustment. She's coming up, and it's going to be a very good lift. Wheels and tires, everything is going to be blacked out front to rear. That's just, I love it. Blackout all the way. Let's see what else. Obviously performance mods, and I'll just go ahead and tell you, I've got several large boxes on the way for the truck already. It's going to be badass. Bone stock exhaust, you already know. So yeah, you already know. But yeah, guys, there she is. I'm very excited about this truck. It's more than capable of doing everything I need for the channel, for the brand. But unfortunately, right now it's a pawpaw truck. All right, guys, so there you go. New member of the family. I don't get rid of vehicles, you know, real fast like a lot of channels. I buy what I want, buy what I like, buy what works, and I stick with it. Like I said, I had the truck a long time, my 250. I loved it. Highly recommend them if you're towing a lot of heavy weight, but towing a Fox body Mustang in a lot of weight. Talked to my buddy Brutal about it. He's got a F-150 as well. He was really happy with it, and I know a lot of you guys have them too. The coolest thing is when my car is done, they will have the exact same drivetrain, Coyote Gen 3 and a 10-speed, and I think that's epic. I'm sorry, guys, I geek out on stuff like that. But yeah, guys, so lots coming for this thing. Very happy with the truck. I can't wait to tear into this. I've already got my window tint appointment. Like I said, I got a bunch of parts on the way. So we're going to do some cool F-150 mods. If you guys got an F-150, by all means, you're going to enjoy these. I'm excited. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I hope you like the new tow pig. Trust me, it won't be a pawpaw truck long. And got some cool stuff coming, I promise. So hope you guys enjoy that. In the meantime, give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.